What?
That's pretty tasty.
It's bouncy.
They're growing. I water them.
Oh, whoa! People in other cars probably think I'm a tourist. Because tourists do this in Utah.
So tricky. These aren't product placements, I promise. I don't use these. My eyes are up here.
You've waited your whole life to say that, haven't you?
What?
My eyes are up here. camita. We're done cleaning. This was a client that she's really clean. Her main concern and her main thing is that her animals leave hair everywhere, but she's really clean. There's not a lot of scrubbing involved. As we were getting ready, we did hear the oil refinery alarms go off. Like there was like, it freaked me out a little. Who's like, are we going to like see a huge explosion? You couldn't hear what they were saying. I did try to get a glimpse for you guys, so if it shows up, I will insert. But that was not very fun for me. I'm a bit paranoid. It did explode. Big booms. It did explode a few years ago, so I can't imagine living next to that, having them doing a drill. So anyways, if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe so we can continue to put stuff out like this. And we appreciate all you that have watched, and have an amazing day.